So which one am I hearing? That people are saying that they don't used to put seasoning cubes inside beans again, that because beans is already sweet on its own. I don't understand, beans is already sweet on its own. Is it plantain? People say they don't used to put salt inside plantain. I say, okay, no problem, I don't agree that one. Then now people are saying that they don't used to put seasoning cubes inside beans. People are doing too much on this internet too. That's why if they ask people why you hate beans, you open your mouth, wow, say because beans is not sweet, when you don't know how to prepare it. Better open your ears. Let me show you how to make better stewed beans. So you're going to start by parboiling your beans. Yes, you parboil your beans. That first water from parboiling, you throw it out and put more water to cook your beans till soft. Make sure your beans is very, very soft. Then you take it out. In another pan, you're going to add in some chopped onions. Please note that because I added some onions to cook the beans, I did not have to add too much here, okay? Then I'm now going to add in some pepper mix. This pepper mix contains tatashe, tomatoes, shombo, and pepper. And then I'm now going to season this with your seasoning cubes and crayfish. Better put my inside. If you knew you don't want to put my inside beans, just leave this place. Don't even stay again to the end of this video. They are now going to allow it fry till the water from the pepper mix is dried. They are now going to pour in your cooked beans into it. Take your time and stir this very well so that everything will talenu. It will mix well together. They are now going to cover it and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, this is what you're going to have: a very beautiful looking pot of beans. See soft beans like butter, guys. Why will you say you don't like beans? Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. If you love beans, I wish you a very fruitful day. Bye.